how he steers, by breaking the rear wheels. It's pretty amazing when he does it. He's under the same rules and regulations. Once he pulls back and gets in place, he puts it in neutral, puts his hands in the air so they know that he's not going to be moving the truck when those guys are going to be hooking up to it with the chain.
Yeah. But the front axle is better than like a regular.
They'll get him hooked up, he'll take out the tension, and we'll get ready to rock and roll. So he has to balance the throttle so that he's not only moving forward, but that he then becomes a true wheel stander, and it takes a little bit of finesse. These big rigs also have a safety. If they break away, it will kill the ignition. There he goes!